everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I will show you step by step how to find your USDC wallet address on the MEXC Exchange. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the MEXC app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the wallets at the bottom menu. Next, select Deposit Now. This is where you will find all the wallet addresses. Select On-Chain Deposit. In the search bar at the top, type USDC and tap on it when it appears. Now you will see different network options like Ethereum ERC20, Tron TRC20 or Binance Smart Chain BEP20. Make sure you select the correct network that matches where you are sending USDC from. Using the wrong one can cause you to lose funds. Let me go with BNB Smart Chain. After selecting the network, your USDC deposit address will appear along with the QR code. Tap copy to save it, and that's it. You have successfully found your USDC wallet address on MEXC. Always double check the network before making a transfer. If this guide helped you, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.